Immunity can be passive or active. In passive immunity, the antibodies helping the person to fight the disease aren't actually produced by the person himself. It comes from an external source. In active immunity, the antibodies used by the person is really produced by the person himself. Now, one example of passive immunity is in the case of babies. Babies obtain antibodies from breast milk from their mother. So these antibodies are actually produced by the mother, but used by the baby. But in active immunity, let's say a person gets sick, and his B cells produce antibodies to fight the disease. So these antibodies are produced by the person. These are two examples of natural immunity, because these things happen naturally. But passive immunity can be achieved in an artificial way. For example, we can inject antibodies into the blood of a patient. The antibodies come from an external source, but they still help the person fight the disease. One way of achieving active immunity in an artificial way is to do vaccination. In vaccination, the immune response are carried out by the person himself. They produce antibodies themselves, but then this is an artificial process. It doesn't happen naturally.